How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
What's your name?
I'm Mujib.
Are you Mujib?
Yes, I'm Mujib.
Okay. What class do you study in?
I studied class 11.
Okay. You can say I study in class.
11.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Are you 16 years old?
Yes, I'm 16 years old.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Do you go to college every day?
Yes, I go to college every day.
No.
No, I don't go to college every day.
Okay. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Fakhrul Islam.
Okay. How old is he?
He is 65 years old.
He or she?
He is 65 years old.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Akhtarunisa.
What does she do?
She is a homemaker.
Okay. So how old is she?
She is 65 years old.
Okay. What's your brother's name?
My brother's name is Akhtar Hussain.
Okay. What does he do?
She is a businessman.
He is a businessman.
He is a businessman.
Okay. So how many members are there in your family? There are.
There are 5 members.
No,
There are
no,
8
no.
members in my
You can say there are. Okay.
There are 8 members in my family.
Who are they?
They are my parents, 3 brothers and 2 sisters and me.
Okay, nice. So how many chairs are there in the room right
There
now?
are 8 chairs in the room.
There are you okay যদি একটা হয় তাহলে আমাদেরকে বলতে হবে there is okay
There is 8 chair in the room.
আর বেশি হলে কি বলবো there are 2 chairs
There are 2 chairs in the room.
আর একটি হলে
There is a chair in the room.
there is a chair in the room.
There is a chair in the room.
Okay, so who is cooking rice?
My mother is cooking rice.
Is your mother cooking rice?
Yes, my mother is cooking rice.
Okay, who is crying there?
My mother is crying there.
Okay, no, maybe your niece is crying there. Okay, your
Maybe my niece
my niece is crying there.
Crying there.
Where is your father? Where is your father means তোমার বাবা কোথায় তাহলে মনে হলো আমি জানি না তাহলে
I don't know.
I don't know where my father is.
I don't know where is my father is.
Where is my father is now? Where my father is?
Where is my father is?
I don't know where my father is.
I don't know where is my father is.
I don't know where 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 my father is.
Okay, I don't know where my father is.
I don't know where my father is.
Okay, so are you playing football?
Yes, I'm playing football.
What are you playing? I'm playing football.
I'm playing football.
What are you playing মানে তুমি কি খেলতে
Hello.
সো তুমি কি খেলতেছো? What are you playing?
I'm playing football.
What are you playing?
I'm playing football.
Are you playing football?
Yes, I'm playing football.
Okay, so